Gizzle Rollin.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, Gizzle Skate.
That be like a cute dog. Talk out with it. Mama yelling and Trap Yoda.
You see it? Trap Yoda.
She ain't gonna be like
Trap Yoda. Trap Yoda.
So gangster.
All right.
Mama got her face on the front of it.
You see it? You see it? Big Delta. Big Limited.
That's right, that's right.
All right.
That's right.
We here. We got the Cap crew out here. Richard Jr. garbage ass was gonna start vlogging. He gonna fucking stop. So why you stop? With that cone do-rag on your fucking head. Look at that do-rag, bro. Look at your do-rag, son.
I'll pull it down.
Richard Jr., you got a cone on your head. Look at the cone.
Michael Jordan.
The condoms that the health department gives.
So what possessed you to put that do-rag on today?
I put it on after I got out the shower. Keep my head moisturized.
Originally, you started the vlog today, right? For your channel. Why you ain't finished it? The viewers want to know.
Stuff it, man. This man not.
Okay, so the viewers want to see the Delta Sigma Theta. Big Delta. Yes, she's a big Delta.
34 years.
Miss Rollin, Cub, Breezy.
Still pregnant.
Thuggin'. As you can see, Blues still there. Man, what it do, gangsta? Big cooler. All right, Boosie, it's your day today.
We ready, bro. We ready.
We're gonna reveal Boosie's truck, fully built. Yes, we're gonna reveal it. Y'all see Hatch garbage ass right there. Okay, we got Tuda here today.
Hey guys, how are you? Hi mom, I'm on TV.
Oh. We got Kel, Jaleezy. We got Nick.
Koba.
No. BBA Hatch boy.
What up with it?
Here in the building, we got Roo Crew, aka hashtag
Fuck a cross member.
Fuck a cross member. We gathered here today, really. It's a fuck nigga celebration. And as y'all know, who is the only fuck nigga that always be saying a fuck nigga in Cap Crew?
Cause you was a nigga.
Nick. So Nick, your birthday tomorrow, right?
Yeah, goddamn, boy, you gotta grab me like that.
Bend him over.
We out here grilling though, son. Got them rolling wings on deck. You know what I'm saying? They ain't done yet. I mean, you can get one. 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 Get one.
You supposed to been on the way.
Mike, you up.
Damn. Show that wing. Show that wing. Show that wing.
Oh.
Damn.
Commando.
Look at the blood on the other side. Caesar no care. Caesar no care.
That's the bone still there.
Damn. Damn. You okay? Boosie, where you at, Boosie? Where you at? Where you at?
We here.
Okay, finna go review Boosie's truck. Clean ass ram. We gonna do from front to back. We gonna do everything he done got done, what else he got done in the future. Whatever he gonna do, this bitch clean. As y'all can see, bro. Ram, clean. So, Boosie, what we got, bro? What we got?
First off, bro, 2023,
Okay.
fresh off the lot.
Okay.
Round 1500, Longhorn.
Okay.
FTS.
Yes. Let's get some of that. Okay.
Powder coat, flaming gold.
Okay.
Got the chrome back plate.
Okay.
Everything from FTS is powder coated the same color.
CSC Custom.
That's
On there.
some lift in my truck.
Yes.
Shout out to my boy Shelby.
Okay.
Everything that's white, color matched.
Okay.
All my factory reports.
Okay.
Everything. 26 by 14 on 36 versatile. 36, 14.
What kind of rim?
Okay.
HD Pros.
HD Pros. Okay, 26 by 14.
It ain't hard.
What'd you say?
If it ain't forced, it ain't hard.
Okay, y'all heard BBA Hatch boy.
Interior.
Ooh.
Cleanest interior.
Steps.
Gotta have them.
Steps.
Gotta have them.
Yes.
Brown interior.
This shit
got
clean.
the iPad.
Whoa! With the big screen. Got the moon roof. That motherfucker know it's clean. As y'all can see, limited Longhorn edition. Yes.
I'm long dicking your baby mama.
Oh shit!
You hear me, huh?
For the view.
But I'm long dicking your baby mama.
All right, close that up. Oh, and look, yes, detail. Everything, like he said, is powder coated. Even the track bar, Stabilizer bars as well. Everything.
Everything. Exhaust.
Yes.
Got 5-inch tips.
Okay.
Carbon catback exhaust.
Okay. That's what we got.
Hitch. 8-inch drop hitch.
Okay. Clean. Now, on these Rams, I want to know. Show us the function with the tailgate. Like, how does
Two
that
ways.
work?
You got your normal way.
Okay.
Of course. Easy drop.
Okay.
And open this.
Whoa! Okay, that's clean. Freshly sprayed bed liner from the factory.
Nick, didn't you just get your shit redone?
As y'all remember on Nick truck, Nick has rock light wires coming out of here. I would insert the clip here, but I'm tired of inserting that same clip. So y'all done saw it already. So we ain't gotta show it no more. But yes, this is a freshly sprayed. Also the LED lights in the bed for nighttime usage as well. And look, yes, paper tag. He done got all this done.
Everything. I ain't got the plate yet.
And ain't got the plate yet. You know what I'm saying?
2 weeks. Put in the shop.
Yes, sir. And as y'all can see one more time, the drive shaft is also.
Don't forget the rear end.
And the rear end.
Yeah, and the diff cover.
Yes, the drive shaft is powdered. The diff cover. And all the stabilizer bars is also done. Yes, y'all see it. It's brand new up under here. Everything clean. We are running the JW Montoya quads. How you like it? A1?
10 out of 10.
A1?
10 out of 10.
Hatch boy, how you like it?
I'm selling mine to buy one.
Okay. Nick.
Dream, man.
Richard Jr., how you like it?
That been fine.
Kev, how you like Boosie truck, bro?
I love that bitch.
Bitch clean as a motherfucker.
It's fucking Yogi, bro.
Caesar, shut the hell up.
See, f you burnt bitch. Quiet.
Caesar look like around civilization.
Yeah.
This is what he look like. He gained a lot of weight.
Yeah.
You?
Y'all see Nick, bro. If y'all have forgot about Nick's bed, we gonna show y'all. I'm just not gonna insert the clip, but y'all remember that. Hatch, do your ritual. Okay. Yes.
Hey,
yes.
Chad told him, hey, you know this is a fucking hazard, right?
Nick, so how you feel about that shit? Like you actually gonna have that on there for scraping?
Yeah.
My Nick,
On
My
the strip?
signature.
He not getting that fixed.
At all.
Signature.
He say that's his signature.
He was this close from getting the SS. This close.
But after he's seen that, I don't blame Big Chad for that shit. Nick, come on, bro. You gotta fix that shit, bro.
I'm like real tough.
Gonna catch fire.
It is.
Gonna catch fire.
Seriously. Said fire. Okay, but look, y'all see Nick leaning. Nick actually got a little lean.
The wires already corroded.
What?
All they do is sit there. Look at the wire.
Oh my God. Nick, you got to be stopped, bro. You got to be stopped, Nick. Nick,
And then the
you got to be stopped.
Look at his spare tire.
That ain't my spot.
Oh my God. That's a G Nike in there? That's a hey dude?
That bit like turtle feet.
Oh my God.
That's my feeling. They from my homeboy Camaro tire.
Stop the cap.
Look, y'all know what that purple light means. Hatch. That purple light means, okay, whenever tricky. So whenever that purple light is on and y'all see this truck moving, that means he ready to pay for it. So stop him whenever he ready to. Oh, Nick got an in-dash in him? Why it's crooked?
Bro, I broke the piece, put it in.
Hold on, wait, bro. What you say you did, bro?
The piece, I kind of broke it. So.
Damn.
12 seconds later.
Next review gonna be BBA Hash Boy. Y'all gonna get that next 2 more weeks or something like that.
So back on from work.
Yes. And I forgot to tell y'all. We gonna let Hash tell y'all.
His garbage ass just gonna wait.
Fuck that. Insert the clip.
Insert nothing.
When we put the drop on the hard body, insert the clip. When I said I had made a call to Wicked.
Oh shit!
Run, Caesar! Caesar, run!
Damn! That big out of sweet in that bitch.
a hotel in the air.
Dude.
Tootie has his lift. He has his lift.
Remember I
powder,
told you punk
and
bitches.
he has his
7,500.
rims and tires.
7,500, motherfucker.
That's it?
Damn!
Hey, guess what?
Damn!
Guess what? That's why I'm gonna sit tall. Oh, I had to deliver a message yesterday.
Oh, by who?
The dude at TWP said stop lying on him because he had them the TIS in stock. He never ran out of TIS.
Damn!
No, his garbage ass lied to me and said he wanted 5,500 for them.
He said one thing. He said tell has him.
No!
Oh, damn.
That's my dog, man. That's my plug.
Y'all see the lineup, bro. Y'all see the fucking lineup, bro. Oh my goodness. Yes, yes,
Man,
yes.
what the fuck is y'all doing?
Get it.
We do not promote anybody.
We do not promote dog fighting.
We do not.
We not my no dog fighting.
Sketch that out. Sketch that out. Gonna get a lawsuit.
This interior is crazy, bro. No lie. This interior is crazy.
What color it is?
This interior is crazy. Look at that. He still got it on there. GST. And he has the camera for the mirror. Yes, he has the camera for the mirror. And y'all can see the dash, bro. That shit clean. It's clean. Oh yeah. 360 view, left mirror view, right mirror view, rear cam. Oh yeah, that's clean, that's clean, that's clean. That's clean. You got all your tow haul mode, traction control, all of that is here. Of course, you still got all the tags and stuff on there. I like that, that's clean too. I like that. Look, tags still on them. The seat got the tag still on there.
back here like a
Huh?
you know. Look at this shit.
That's fine.
I think got a buckle back there.
Detail, that's fine. That's detail. I like that. I like that. That's detail. That's detail, bro. I like this here.
This shit got a
And y'all see
right there.
the designs. Y'all see the designs in the door. That's clean. That's actually etched in.
Check that out.
That's no print. Harman sound system.
That's how you know they been new.
Look, got the plastic on the decals and all.
Got that still on there.
Yeah, this is brand new. How many miles on it, Boosie?
1,700, I think.
1,700. So this is an immaculate truck. It's clean. I like it, bro.
Panoramic roof.
Yes, y'all see it. The roof. Yes, it's clean, bro.
I'm surprised.
He gotta take this out of here. Let me show you what.
What?
Let me show y'all what he gotta take out.
What do you gotta take out of here? Whoa!
the fuck is this?
What is that?
My truck don't got one.
Oh man! What is that, Boosie?
Our real space.
Rudy say you gotta do what with that?
How y'all doing?
Y'all wanna get some?
That's a purse. That nigga a purse.
Happy birthday.
Look at his foot. Look at his foot.
Rocket,
God damn.
What the fuck is this? This nigga took this nigga's shoe.
Damn.
Happy birthday, Nick.
Rocket
finna hang up on his old lady.
Happy birthday, Nick. We love you, bitch. We gonna end it off.
Rocket still trying to get on the ball.
End it off, Nick. End it off, Nick.
Them niggas.
End it off, bro.
All right, Cap Crew out. We catch y'all next time.
We'll holler at y'all next time.
Yes, sir.
Out of breath.
All right, bro. Catch y'all next week.
Yes, sir.
Rolling.